G'day, welcome back to the channel. I thought I'd just take you for a quick walk up Clifton Beach because the weather is absolutely gorgeous at the moment, and the water is so flat and calm. So I'll just spin you around so we can have g'day. Just spin you around so we can have a look. Don't want to look at my face, I suppose. Not all the time. People around me are laughing. Well, this is where we are at Clifton. This is the playground here at Clifton Beach. My daughter used to love it here. We used to come here quite often. Yeah, so I'll spin the camera around and I'll show you Clifton Beach. As I said, there's the playground here. Beautiful day. Nets are out. This is where the barbecue area is. Beautiful gum tree. Actually, it's probably not a gum tree, it's Melaleuca paper bark. Beautiful. Okay, let's go down the beach and have a look. Beautiful palm trees here. I've taken lots of photos of this particular spot here. In fact, it's my screensaver on my phone. Double Island out there, Haycock Island. Here's the net machinery. Surf life-saving hut. Here. People swimming in the nets. Beautiful. Oh, it was a lot flatter this morning when I came out. Let's go and have a look what it says. Here. Might pause here for a minute. If you've got a mobile phone, you can probably zoom in and have a look at the various stingers or jellyfish we get here. Okay, pause it and have a look. Nothing down here because there's nobody on duty at the moment. Just the warning. Marine stingers. Walk up here, then we'll go for a little walk up the beach. Maybe walk this way. Beach is looking very nice. Looks like council's been out busy picking up all the flotsam and jetsam that we had from the high tides of late. King tides. Very high. Oh, we've got the palm tree guys here cutting the coconuts down. These guys are amazing. They actually climb up the tree. That's what all the holes are in the palm trees. Climb up the tree and cut the coconuts down. Amazing. Here we go, I don't know whether you can see him up there. Amazing how they do it. Here we go, look at that. Amazing. G'day. Cut the coconuts down. Go a bit over here so we don't get hit by a coconut. There you go. I was hoping to get a video of these guys doing that one day to show you what they do. And here we are. Beautiful. This is Clifton Beach here. Spin it round. Oh look, water's clear, starting to clear up. Visibility's improving. That's what happens when you get a few still days. All the silt drops out. Becomes beautiful. Beautiful. There's Palm Cove up there. A jetty. And there's Kuara down there. past the rocks. Okay, let's go for a quick walk, maybe walk down to the rocks. That's the bridge. Access to Clifton Beach. Looks beautiful with these palm trees. There was a time when they were going to rip them all out because apparently, environmentally, they're weeds. But I'm glad they didn't, because it certainly makes for a nice beach scene. And how would you call it Palm Cove if you took all the palm trees out? Yeah, that'd be interesting. What would you call it? Beach Almond Cove? I'm told the beach almonds, once you crack them open, you can eat them. The nut inside looks a bit like an almond. Tastes a bit like an almond, I'm told, but I don't know. Never tried them. The birds, the cockies, really love them. Really love them. Whoops, gonna get wet here. Just go up to the rocks, I think, and then we'll turn round. Maybe we'll go as far as the bridge. Well, this tree's making a nice bit of shade. Need to get myself some more sunglasses, I think. The last one's got broken. I was on holiday in Pattaya in Thailand and I had my sunglasses on my hat. And apparently I've been walking around all day with one of the lenses out. Why people were smiling at me. I thought they were just being friendly. They were smiling at me thinking I was a bloody idiot. Morning, how are you? Oh, look at this, nice shade under here. These are the beach almonds here, whether you can see them. Coming from the trees here, beach almond tree. Very common around here. Sometimes when I'm at home and it's a miserable day outside, it's raining, I put one of these videos on. One of my walks with a beautiful day on the big screen TV and just watch it and listen to the waves. Very peaceful. And this camera, it's an Osmo Pocket 3. Brilliant camera, really. And when you're filming in 4K 60 frames a second like I do, the resolution on a big screen TV is fantastic. Absolutely amazing. Can't imagine what 8K resolution would look like. I noticed my new phone can film in 8K, but I don't have an 8K TV, so there's no point, I suppose. Beautiful. That hill there, like a double hill. Seems to be a feature around here. Double island's the same sort of shape with the two bumps. Seems to see a lot of hills around here with two bumps like that. Anyway, that's called Earl Hill. There's a walking track that goes up to the top, and you can walk down to the bottom and then go to Half Moon Bay. Oh, that's it. I was supposed to take you there. Maybe I'll do that now. Drive down there. I think I've got a little bit of battery left. I forgot to recharge the bloody thing last night. So even though I've got the extra battery plugged on, the actual level of it is 0. Oh, here's where we had some of the damage. I've been taking some of these off the beach. You can see there, and you can see all the little coconut palms starting to grow, and they'll be working their way up here, getting the coconuts off these trees here, because there's some on these trees here. I don't know who they give them to be honest, because they sell them in the market for $10 each. Cut the top off like they do over in Thailand, and you can drink the water out. Delicious. Be nice if they put them in the fridge though. In Thailand they keep them in the fridge, so when they open it for you, it's cold and very refreshing. But at the market, it's still warm. Not so refreshing. This grass seems to hang on to the sand very well. That's good. The council's really good. They're so quick to come and clean up the mess. See, they've cut that tree already. That's what I showed you, was it a couple of weeks ago, where the footpath had been broken in two. I think it was around here somewhere. Well, they've cut that palm tree. Coconut palm tree is no more. See where we just come from? See the nets down there? Can't see the nets at Palm Cove, but virtually dead centre out there. See the jetty though? Well, I might pause the video here. This is where where the footpath collapsed. See, they've fixed it already, and looks like they've put some large drainage pipes in to try and stop it happening again. Hopefully that'll work. See, it comes down here, the water comes down this drainage channel here, this swamp looking place in the middle here, and then runs off straight down here. This would have been the natural course for the water, and they built a footpath in the way. But now they've fixed it. Gee, don't take them long. The council's really good here in Cairns. The moment something goes wrong, they're on it. It's probably why my rates are so expensive. I suppose somebody has to pay for it. Okay, we'll pause it here and I'll walk back and I'll take you to Half Moon Bay. See ya. Thanks for watching the channel. Don't forget, hit the notification, hit the like, and what else? Oh yeah, subscribe. Got to keep the algorithm happy. Yeah. One day I'm going to have to do some research in what the hell this algorithm is. Okay, bye.